Hey guys, what's up, and I didn't post on Sunday or Monday because I thought the half an hour long video that I made on Saturday would cover that. Turns out, I don't think it did. I was planning on not doing one till tomorrow. And then I realised, I only thought it was Monday, and then I realised it was Tuesday. And I need to... Sorry. And I need to get going with my upload schedule, so that's what I'll be doing today. Some of you might remember that I said I'll be doing a massive 89 plus player pack opening. But I haven't got around to doing that just yet. But I will soon, don't worry. I've got an icon moments. Van Basten 94. That was very easy to get. I just realised this has to be a very short video because I have to go to bed, like, right now. So I said I would finish in about 5 minutes. So probably over on my icon packs, couple of icon packs, and end the video. Okay? I only hope this gives me good luck because in my icon pack I got mine. But I'm not even gonna let my eyes are covered. I don't have any sound on either. You just watch me turn it off. Right, it should be done. A double tap. I got 81. 88, that's probably one that I did not see. Right, second one. I'll probably just do the same thing, open packs without looking. Right, hand over my eyes. I'll just wait a bit so I know it's done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tap. And let's see. I got a 91, an 86, an 89, and an 87. I got a Aubameyang, Van Dijk, Hernandez, and Nicholas Pepe. Right, last pack. Come on. I really hope this is what. I'm really just waiting for like a big person in the pack, so it'll be a huge surprise in it. So when I actually look. Right, over. Come on, be good. They've been alright, but they haven't really been the best. I'm just gonna wait to make sure. 10, 9, 6, 7. Oh no. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It just done. It should be 90. Got a 90 rated and 86. Alright, come on, open a couple of icon packs just to end it. I'll show you a match. It's really weird because I wanted to change something in my team. And it didn't work. And when I changed it back, it's not letting me, I changed it back, but it's not giving me my 100 chemistry back. But oh well. Look at this team. Team is so good. Right, come on. We better win this game. Come on, come on. Yes! Get him, Ronaldo. Oh, look at Modric. There's a Matthias. Is it Pele? Oh, who takes it? Oh, no. I know. Oh. Right, come on. Oh, no. Whew. Come on, Mark. Good defense, Marcelo. Oh, no. Yes, Pele! Super no pack. Come on. 89 plus player. Van Dijk. It's gonna be 89. Oh, it's always 89. And I got a 90 rated as well. Neuer. And I think I'm gonna have to end it here, guys. If you enjoyed the video, slap a like on it. And tell everyone you know to subscribe. And see you in the next video. Peace.